We all grew up in families ourselves, and I imagine that many of us dream about growing up and having our own families. This study is focused on kids who get a cancer diagnosis, where we know that in about 30% of cases, the chemotherapy or the radiation treatment for their cancer may cause them to become permanently infertile. So in this study, we produced a non-human primate model of cancer survivorship. We did that by treating prepubertal animals with a chemotherapy treatment. Before we did that, we took a biopsy from the testes of those animals and we cryopreserved it. Later, we thawed those tissues out and we grafted them back into the same animal. We did this simply by grafting the tissue under the skin, and then we waited. These animals progressed through puberty, so the hormones from the brain caused the tissues to mature and grow. And after several months, we recovered the tissues from underneath the skin and dissected them apart, and we found that there were sperm.
Then we contacted our collaborators, and they were able to do ICSI, which is intracytoplasmic sperm injection, and they were able to make rhesus macaques, and we named the monkey Grady.
Well, the reason that we did these studies in non-human primate is because we thought that this was really the last step on the road to translating to the human clinic. So having succeeded to produce a live-born and healthy baby, we feel that this is a technology that is ready for the human clinic.
So as you know, that infertility is not just a medical issue, it's also a social issue, it's also a psychological issue. We think this study is important because it does not just help us to potentially be able to solve one of the causes of infertility, but also we can put smiles on people's faces, and also we can have parents not worried about the fertility of their children.